NAKIVO Backup and Replication is a fast, reliable, and affordable data protection solution for virtualized, physical, and cloud environments. Choosing NAKIVO Backup and Replication means choosing simplicity and efficiency, saving valuable time and resources. The majority of organizations across the globe are using Microsoft Office 365 for their business activities. NAKIVO Backup and Replication features Microsoft Office 365 Backup, ensuring reliable protection against data loss for entire mailboxes as well as individual items. To get started with data protection for Office 365, first you'll need to add an Office 365 account to the inventory. Next, you'll need to create a new backup job with these 5 simple steps. 1. Select the account or mailbox you want to be backed up. 2. Choose a backup repository. 3. Schedule the job. 4. Configure the retention policy. 5. Fine-tune the job options. When the job starts running, NAKIVO Backup and Replication retrieves the necessary data from the cloud and backs it up to the selected repository. Once the job is completed, you can access and recover your data anytime you need it. Here's a short demo of this feature in action. First, you can add an account to the inventory in Configuration. Click Add New and select Microsoft Office 365 account. Enter the display name. Next, enter the tenant ID, Azure Client ID, and the Azure Client secret found when registering the application in the Azure portal. Once you click Add, your Office 365 account is discovered and will appear in the Inventory tab. Now you need to create a repository for your Office 365 backups. Once you are on the Repositories tab, click Add Backup Repository and select Create New Backup Repository. Next, enter the name of the repository and select an assigned transporter. For type, make sure to select Microsoft Office 365. Next, specify the path to the local folder where you want your repository to reside. You can click More Options and schedule to detach this repository if needed. Once done, selecting Add will take you back to the Repositories tab with available repositories displayed. Now you can create a backup job by clicking Create and choosing Microsoft Office 365 Backup Job. Step 1. You can choose the item you want to back up. You can select either the entire account, a specific mailbox, or multiple mailboxes to back up. Step 2. You can select a repository where the backup is going to be stored. You can use any repository that has been created specifically for Office 365 backups. Step 3. You can schedule your job or set it to run only on demand. Step 4. You can configure the retention policy. The solution allows you to store up to 4,000 recovery points and rotate them on a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. Lastly, Step 5. You have the option of specifying the name of your backup job and configuring specific job options. Once you click Finish, the job is configured and ready for use. As you can see, creating a backup job for Office 365 in NAKIVO Backup and Replication is a quick, easy, and straightforward process. Download the full featured free trial and try the solution in your own environment.